Really great movement today. I was able to execute it pretty well. A one and done trade across my 20 Apex accounts, still trading my funded accounts with them, 20 of the 50Ks. Locked in about 5,900 bucks. We're going to go and recap that trade and why I took it and just kind of some of the funny moments from the stream today. If you didn't know, I do live stream my trades here on my main channel, Trades by Matt, not my recaps channel. My main channel, Trades by Matt, every morning at market open. So make sure you go subscribe over there and go hang out in the live stream with us. Last but not least, if you are interested in trading your Apex accounts like I am, you can do code TBM to get 80% off right now on all of the accounts. For the 50K account that I'm trading, it ends up being $37.40 or so. So good luck on your trading. Let's go ahead and dive into the recap. Yo, good morning. Welcome to the stream. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. Hope you're having a good day so far. Hopefully yesterday was good for you as well. This is the daily chart. We'll talk more about it in a second. How's the solar eclipse? Actually, okay. Low-key didn't understand the hype prior to it happening. I didn't think it was going to be that cool. There was a lunar eclipse or something, a few years ago. It didn't really do it for me. I didn't get the glasses for it, and I didn't really think it was that cool. This one was wild, bro. It was wild. It was very dark. We watched it come across or whatever, and that was like kind of cool, nothing crazy. But when it was fully covered and it was all of a sudden fully nighttime and like all the street lights were on and all the animals were quiet, and then 2 minutes later it's bumping again and everything's loud. It was wild. Very cool. Can't wait for another 60 years to see it again. Okay. News wise, we've got CPI tomorrow and jobless claims on Thursday, and we have nothing today, really. Which means we might not really get that much today. We'll see. Yesterday was pretty flat. We are above yesterday's high, so take that into consideration, right? But I'm wondering if they keep it fairly flat for tomorrow. CPI? It's tomorrow morning CPI? Definitely possible. End up here around the overnight highs, 400 psych level, currently in the magical 80s. We are above yesterday's value area high, yesterday's value area low, which is a 40-point range. Love that for us. Above value area high, we think upward move. Below value area low, we think down, especially when we pop the overnight highs, right? Or the overnight lows. 150 points-ish, top to bottom on the overnight high and overnight low. And we will play directionally based off that. If we don't see anything in the first hour, then we will play off of initial balance plays similar to yesterday. I will play off of initial balance plays similar to yesterday. That is my game plan for today. Not necessarily long bias or short bias. I don't really care. I just want to know which way are we above the overnight highs, in which case, I'll probably won't be fading it that hard. And if we end up chopping out, which I definitely think is on the table, play it accordingly. We'll see. I thought you were a bot made by AI. I am. I actually, I saw Nade Shot. I don't know if y'all know who Nade Shot is. Old Call of Duty pro. And he had AI make like they do those AI songs. He had AI make a song for him. And I really want to figure out how he did that. I want an AI song. Suno AI. Should we listen to the AI song?
I'm a day trader, gonna conquer it all. Wake up early morning, grinding every day. Ay. Analyzing charts, watching stocks at play. Buying low, selling high, that's the game I play. I'm a Nasdaq hustler, making money my own way. Nasdaq hustle, making money my own way. Nasdaq hustle, making money my own way. Nasdaq hustle, make money my own way. I'm a day trader, gonna conquer it all. Wake up early morning, grinding every day, every dog. I'm a day trader, gonna conquer it all. Wake up early morning, grinding every day. Analyze charts, watching stocks at play. Buying low, selling high, that's the game I play. I'm a Nasdaq hustle, making money my own way. Nasdaq hustle, making money my own way. Nasdaq hustle, Nasdaq flow. TBM on mic, watch me go, trading stocks. Making moves so quick, Nasdaq game. I'm the king.
Wow. Oh, so good. Someone asked for the country version. Here you go.
Well, TBM's a day trader. You know he's sharp as a tack.
He's got his eyes on the Nasdaq, ain't no looking back. He wakes up every morning sipping on that coffee black, trading numbers on his screen, yeah, he's got that knack. He's got his finger on the pulse, knowing when to buy or sell. He's making moves all day, making his portfolio well, from the open bell to the closing bell. He's ringing that cash register. With every trade he makes, he's getting closer to his treasure. He's a Nasdaq cowboy, riding that market wave. TBM ain't afraid to take risks. He's got money to save. He's catching those highs, dodging them lows, making his name. TBM's the king of the Nasdaq, playing his own game. He's a Nasdaq, king of the Nasdaq, playing his own game.
What an absolute banger. Holy, do we even listen to the fourth one? Oh my God. Am I green lighted to trade? I'm not green lighted to trade. I have 2 minutes. I think it's almost perfect. That is an absolute banger. Well done, AI.
Well, TBM's a day trader. You know he's sharp as a tack.
Nah, it can't be the first one. Wow. TBM's died. It's now the Nasdaq cowboy. I mean, honestly, dude, that was wow. The NQ, the Nasdaq cowboy. Wow. No more dad jokes. All right, yeah. Oh, here we go. April 9th, dad joke of the day. I'm also green lighted to trade officially. I told my doctor I heard buzzing, but he says it's just a bug going around. That's good. Cracking through VWAP into the 20s. It was kind of interesting because, like, I hate heavy closes through VWAP. Y'all know that. Like, if we're closing down here, having set a wick into 20, I'm not opposed. If we wick into it, into like here, into yesterday's value high, I'm not opposed, but it would need to like bounce off at least. Like, if it doesn't just like insta snag this and go, it would need to hold like 16. Just Delta looks nasty. Delta makes me think we could go lower, but lower from here, 20. I don't know how many points, but I can't snag along here. I don't trust it enough. Take it off for now. Maybe we bounce there. I don't know. 20. I mean, it's a 20-point bounce, so not bad by any means. I just Delta like looking like that right below VWAP. That's tough. That's a tough one. A true Nasdaq cowboy would have taken it. Valid. Are you trading or just talking? I'm just talking. Here's the thing, guys. Most of y'all know this, but it is probably important for the few new people that don't understand, is that trading is a lot of waiting. Like, so much waiting is trading. Waiting for good setups. Now, obviously, you can trade with not waiting, and you can just press the green button or the red button as many times as you want. Is it going to work out for you? Maybe, but most likely the answer is no. But most of trading is waiting for good setups, smart decisions, being patient. It just takes one trade to make your day or completely ruin your day, right? And for me, 45 minutes into a day, I don't have a desire to like force trades, especially when the opportunity is just not really there yet. All that to say, this is yes, right now what I'm doing, I was being sarcastic. What I'm doing right now is absolutely trading. It's just waiting for something. Like, absolutely, I'm trading. Do I like to talk so that's not just stone ass quiet in here while I'm waiting for a setup? Yes. It's kind of the whole point of the stream. Like, literally the entire point of the stream is to help us kill time in between trades. Be able to keep it interesting, have some conversations. It's not like I need to have my eyes peeled at the chart 24/7 to understand exactly what's going on. It's stupid. It's a way to just like kill your emotional capital, emotional energy, physical capital, physical energy in like 20 minutes. It's not healthy. Anyways, there's my rant for the day. killed some time as well while we're still at VWAP. I think it's just so important, so incredibly important. And it's been such a massive factor in my journey. Slapping through value area high. This is a pretty heavy closer VWAP. I wouldn't say I love it. A lot of selling. Coming into yesterday's point of control, 300 cycle level as well. And yesterday's close, return to settlement, currently taking place. I mean, we're about to slap straight into the magical 80s, which after this candle might be a decent snag. Ugh, it's scary. Not gonna do it. Not gonna do it yet. I will market buy as needed. All right, a lot of sellers. We're coming in for a value area low from yesterday. This candle is not necessarily small. 50 down to 80, 70 points. 1 minute till IB is set, initial balance is set, and 1 minute till this crazy candle closes. Here's yesterday's value area low, and still smacking through it. Overnight lows up next. This is still classic. Chops, and then just like accelerated move that is very hard to get into unless you just market buy or market sell. You market in. Is this 100 points? I think it is, huh? 52, yeah. 120 points on the downside move. Fairly aggressive. Last couple minutes. Starting to lose a little bit of steam on the drop. 220s coming up. All right, buyers looking good. That's a ligma at the lows. That's a delta divergence at the lows there. Who knows if it's gonna stay, but that is technically one. We had a new low printed without delta printing a new low. See how we respond to these previous lows. I'm gonna go ahead and take a quick little stab here. We failed to sweep the lows. Makes me think we're gonna push it. Look at the overnight lows. If we sweep the lows, I'll just get out. Losing a little bit of the buying steam. Okay, and I'm out. 15 points across the board. That is 15 points across the board. I obviously took $4 of commissions across the board as well. That brings me to just shy of $6,000, $5,900 on that trade. 59.25, $5,925 in just about a minute. That's why I want to wait around though. I mean, I waited for an hour for that. I waited for an hour. I persevered through a bunch of people asking why I'm not taking trades, and that's why.